Conquering consonants, common pronunciation errors and their fixes. Hello there, English learners. Today's video will focus on common pronunciation errors with English consonants and how to correct them. So let's dive right in and start improving our pronunciation skills. In English, some consonants tend to be more problematic than others due to the diverse range of sounds they can produce. It's crucial to know which consonants often cause trouble. The letters V and W, L, and R, B, and V, and the TH sounds are common culprits. A common mistake is to interchange the sounds of V and W. The key is to understand that V involves a vibration of the vocal cords, while W is formed by rounding your lips. Practice saying words like vase and waist, and notice the differences in the movement of your lips and vibration of your vocal cords. For many, the letters L and R are tricky. The L sound involves placing the tip of your tongue against the back of your upper teeth, while the R sound is produced without touching the roof of your mouth. Practice with pairs like light and right. It's easy to confuse B and V, especially for Spanish speakers. Remember, B is a plosive sound where you block the airflow and then release it, while V is a fricative sound, requiring a continuous airflow. Practice this with words like bear and very. The English TH sound can be voiced, as in this, or unvoiced, as in thing. It's made by placing your tongue between your teeth. The voiced version has vibration of the vocal cords, while the unvoiced version does not. Practice both versions to master these sounds. 1. Listen and repeat. Listening to native English speakers and repeating after them can help. 2. Record and review. Record your own speech and listen back to spot any errors. 3. Practice consistently. Pronunciation improvement requires consistent practice. That wraps up our video on common consonant pronunciation errors and how to correct them. Remember, practice is key and don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's part of the learning process. Keep practicing, and you'll notice the improvements in your pronunciation skills. See you in the next video.